Alright guys, welcome back. Part 3. And what we're going to do today is we're going to button this all up and hopefully take it for a ride up and down the street. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to put this side cover back on for the CVT transmission. I'm going to put this top nut back on. I'm also going to put all the airbox stuff back on, the snorkels, the whole 9 yards. So we're going to button this all up right now, and I'll come back when I'm done. It's just nuts and bolts. It's the reverse of what we did in the previous video. Alright guys, I got everything buttoned up. As you guys can see, oil tanks on, cross members in, airbox is all in. This is like a 3-4 piece airbox. It's kind of a lot of work to get this back in there. It's missing all the wing nuts that go on here. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's the 5th one, but that other piece is missing. I'm gonna have to make something up that I can custom wing nuts I can screw in here and tighten that down. I'll do that next week. Right now I just want to get it running. One thing I did notice before I put the all the air boxes and everything on this side, I just want to show you guys this right here. I don't know if you can see. Let me grab the flash. Grab the light here. Alright, see, I got it right there. See that nut right there? It's loose. So I'm going to get in there and tighten those up. That's probably going to rattle while you're riding, but I'll tighten that up now. Alright guys, it's outside. This wheel bearings on this side are really bad. I'm going to have to replace them. But outside, he's running. Alright guys, I washed it off one more time. I got down inside there. The radiator's just got water on it. I'm waiting for the temperature to get up. Make sure that the fan kicks in again. We're at about 177. Keep an eye on that. Alright guys, it's all back together. All the plastic's on. Still kind of looks like crap, but we're going to fix it all up. I got big plans for it. It's all back together though. And we got more mechanical stuff to do on this, and we got quite a bit of beautification, knocking the ugly off basically. Alright guys, I guess it's time to change the air filter. So this is the air filter that was in there. Pretty dirty. So we got a new one, and it's right here. This is the part number for anyone who's interested. Chinese, nothing but the best. But it looks exactly like that one, so we are going to put it in. We have these hold downs here. There's one there, here, there's one here. It's missing the barrel, and there's another one here, another one there. There wasn't any screws in it when I took it apart, so what I did was I just went in I got a bunch of coffee cans full of screws that I take out of old engines that I throw away. I always save the screws, so these screws came out of it. They fit. We're going to use them. And there's a couple of clips that it goes in down there. Get my arm out of the way. Slide the filter in. Filter goes inside like that. Let me connect it like that. Alright guys, screws are all in, here, and down there, nice and tight. We won't have excessive air leak now where it will be sucking dirt when it shouldn't be, and the filter should look nice and not like that. Alright, I put 2 new screws in here, and you guys remember I bought them on eBay. I bought 20 of them, and I'm down to 5 left. I've already used 15 around the body, and they come in pretty handy. Alright, spark plug replacement time. Like I told you guys, I did buy new plugs. I don't know how old these are, but it doesn't hurt to put in new ones. Alright, spark plug gap is 28 to 31 thousandths. That's the old plug. That's a new one. Big difference. And the plug number is MR7F. Alright, let's pop these in. Plugs are in, ready to go. Alright guys, breaking right into your regularly scheduled program here. Quick update. Eddie sent me a couple of video clips. You guys remember Eddie from the last video series. And he sent me video clips of him using the Prowler 650H1 that was in the last video series that he bought off me, mowing his 6 acres of land in Maine. Here's those video clips. Hope you enjoy them. Looks like Eddie's really enjoying that Prowler, and I'm glad he is. Hopefully he gets many more years of good use out of that thing. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Do me a favor, guys. It really helps me out. And let's get back to the video. All right, I got 3 more sets of brake pads to throw on it, and I'm going to do it off camera. I showed you one. I don't need to show you all of them. So I'm going to go do that now and come back when I'm done. All right, guys, I was about to take the brake pads off the passenger side, and I went to go pull on this, and I want to show you guys something. Check that out, right there. Let me try to get this thing so it's not in my hand, not moving when I pull. So I gotta tighten that, and hopefully it didn't elongate that too bad. All right, it's tight now. And this one here was not 100% tight either. I'm gonna go check the ones on the other side. The other side was good and tight, so it was just this side. And these A-arms are aftermarket, so maybe they didn't fully torque them, or maybe they loosened up over time. I don't know, but good now. Also, the brakes are kind of hanging up on this side, so it tells me the slides are probably frozen. They need to be greased. Let's just check out the pads real quick that I took off. And the person I bought this off said that the brakes were fine, but I always check them and replace them anyway. They're cheap. These pads here, you can see they were a little bit on the worn side, but this one's not. This one didn't wear evenly, and that one's kind of even. That's the driver's side front, driver's side rear. As you can see right there, it was digging in. So this pad was jammed. It was not wearing evenly at all. It's pretty thick here, nothing there. Same thing on this side, thick, thin. Pads were no good. Passenger side, drivers look pretty good. These are wearing even. There's a little bit of a bend in that right there. Don't know how that would have happened. Passenger rear, same thing, uneven wear. So the pads needed to be replaced, and we did so. Well, I got to adjust the tie rod ends. The wheels are kind of like this a little bit in the back. Should be out more. So these tie rods need to be extended out a little bit more. A tape measure of the C. What it look like. And the center. 21 3/4. This side here needs to go out that way, 1/4 inch. That battery died. Anyway, let me finish up. I want to say thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, leave comments below. Let me know what you think so far on this. We're doing our best to get it done, and it's coming out awesome. I'm very happy with the fact that this thing is running the way it's running right now. I couldn't be more happy. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in part 4 or 3, 4, part 4. We'll get back on this and we'll finish it up.